All right, Rivian's fans, great news. Rivian stock soars after hours because Volkswagen says it will invest up to $5 billion. As we know, Rivian is in need of cash, and Rivian, they have the technology, but they need the cash to keep them afloat, right? They're gonna, with this amount of money and with the joint venture with Volkswagen, I think they will succeed. First, I thought like somehow Apple will buy out Rivian, but that didn't happen. Even though Apple scrapped out their project for Apple cars after 10 years, and they're now pretty much just concentrating into AI. And either way, Rivian right now with the Volkswagen, I think it will be successful joint ventures because of the two companies. And with Rivian's vehicles, they look nice, and I like them. So eventually, hopefully, I can maybe own one. And with the R2, with the pricing come out to be like in the price range of the Model Y, I think it will be a success. So we just have to wait and see.